There were more than 7 Land Cruisers. There were more than 2 lorries. And what has happened? The police provoked the people. They shot dead 3 in the citizens here, 2 at 11 and 1 in the evening. And the police burnt down torched 5 houses. They went to that shop there, entered a food kiosk and ate all the food without paying. They also went to the nearby shop, broke in and drank all the soda and took away property. Pale Mali artisan miners, they also went there, destroyed the mining equipment for the artisan miners. And what have they done also? Which is very, very painful. Police are moving today from house to house, picking people and beating them. They are cutting down, wakipato mefunga ngombe yako, they cut down the string and let the cows eat the grass. What is the maize? What you are saying is this. Where is the governor for Siaya, James Orengo? When your people are being killed, when your people are being displaced, when your people are being disturbed.
Mimi ni mwenyekiti ya wenye mashamba wakaaji wa area hii. Nataka niseme hii issue imechukua muda. Na nilisawasilisha malalamishi ya watu wa area hii kotini. Nataka niheshimu mahakama. Na kama hawawezi kuheshimu kama mahakama vile naona kazi yao ikiendelea, ndio inaleta tatizo na inaleta tatizo hata zaidi. Ningeomba serikali ya Kenya hii itumie sheria. Serikali itumie sheria kwa njia inayofaa.